Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a really great day today and a happy new year so far. So in today's video, I will be doing my makeup using the Too Faced Peaches and Cream collection. I am going to be testing out the foundation, the primer, the loose setting powder, the Radiant Matte Bronzer, the Just Peachy Matte eyeshadow palette, the Glow highlighting palette, the lipstick, as well as the lip oil. So if you like to see how I get from plain old Jane bare-faced to this peachy warm tone glam, then make sure you check out this video because this is going to be the video for you. So I already filled in my brows, nothing spectacular there, but right now I'm going to go in with the Coolin' Matte Perfecting Primer, and this is long-lasting Coolin' Matte Primer that blurs and smooths your complexion with a brightening peach tint that works on any skin tone. So, and it says that you can wear it alone or under foundation for a mattifying, soft focus finish that's lightweight, comfortable, and smells as good as it feels. Now, I am only going to focus the primer in my T-zone because that's where I am more oily. Now, right now I'm going to be using the Comfort Matte Foundation, and it is transfer resistant and medium coverage. It's supposed to be a 14-hour formula, and I got the color Sand, which you'll see later in the video. I feel like this was not the right color for me. It's too light, and as you can see right there, it's very liquidy because it just fell on my shirt, but we don't waste product over here. I will pick that up and put it right back on my face. Now, this is supposed to be photo friendly, smooth, flawless, and comfortable with a soft focus velvety finish. So I'm going to blend this out with my beauty blender, and I noticed that it did get a lot lighter than I would like, but that's because I got the wrong color. So next time I will just know to mix colors. I'm going to zoom you in because on my jawline, as you can see, it's very streaky as far as blending it goes. Like I said, it's medium coverage, so you probably will have to build this up if you want full coverage. But look, like the foundation is moving, it's very streaky, so I'm going to try to fix that. And yeah, I don't like how that goes. Next, I'm going to take my ColourPop concealer, and I'm in the color Golden, and I'm just going to conceal underneath my eyes and my forehead. I absolutely love this concealer because it's thick and creamy. It reminds me of the Tarte Tape Shape concealer, and I just love the coverage that it gives underneath my eyes. So I'm just gonna highlight and conceal underneath my eyes, my forehead, and then I'm gonna use my beauty blender to blend it out, and it blends like a dream. Okay, next I'm going to take the mattifying loose setting powder, and this is a Featherlight Universal Peach Tint Setting Powder that brightens your skin and smells like a dream. It sets your foundation and creates a silky smooth canvas for bronzers, blushes, and highlighters while helping to absorb oil and reduce shine throughout the day. Now, I will say that I like that it comes with one of those stoppers so you don't spill and lose all of the powder and it doesn't make a big mess. Next, I'm going to go in with the Just Peachy's Matte Velvet Matte Eyeshadow Palette, and this comes with 12 matte shades of warm peaches, buttery creams, and rich bronze, and it also, guys, it smells so good. So I'm going to take the color Just Peachy, and I'm going to apply this all over my crease area. Now I'm going to take the color Peach Punch, and I'm just going to apply this in my crease area to deepen up the color in the crease area. Now I'm going to take the Too Faced Shadow Insurance Anti-Crease Eyeshadow Primer and apply that only to my eyelids because I want the lid color to stay in place. Now you're going to see me apply Peach Sangria, which is like a deep burgundy color, and apply that all over my lids. And then I'm going to go in with the color Peach Cobbler, and I'm just going to blend this in my crease area where the eyelid color and the crease area meets, just so there are no harsh lines, and I hope that makes sense to you guys. So I'm just taking another transitional color to blend out any harsh lines and make the whole eye look more cohesive. And then I'm going to use Peaches and Cream, which is a light beige color, just to highlight underneath my brow bone. And as much as I would love to do just an all matte look, I just can't find myself to do it. I always need that sparkle. So I'm going to go in with this Hot Luxer eyeshadow, and this is in the color Sunset, which is a beautiful peachy coral pink kind of color. And I'm going to pop that all over my lid. I'm going to start in the middle of my eyelid because I want more of like a, I guess you would call it a halo effect. But I'm going to pop this in the middle of the eyelid, but apparently I just popped it all over my lid. And then I'm going to take Hot Luxer, and this is a blush, and it's loose powder, and this is in the color Malibu. This color is gorgeous, guys, and this is like a nice light pink color with like gold sparkles, and I am going to apply that all over my lid as well. Now I do not use any adhesive, or I guess like any mixing mediums, because I didn't want this color to be the focus on the eye. I just wanted this loose powder to give me a little shimmer all over the eyelid. Okay, so now I am done with the eyes for now. I will come back to that later. Right now I am going to brush off all of the translucent powder, and I will say that this translucent powder settled into any creases that I did have, and I don't know if you guys can see, but I just did not like how streaky my makeup was coming out, and the foundation and makeup was moving all over the place. Like, I don't even know what that is that I'm doing, that I'm trying to fix. But eventually I did go back in with my beauty blender and try to like buff it out, and it did work, but I do not like this. Okay, so then I'm going to take the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Matte Bronzer, and I absolutely love this bronzer. I use this bronzer to sculpt out my face, and you will see later in the video that I will use another bronzer to give me more warmth, but this bronzer is what I use to sculpt out my face, and this is one of my holy grails. I use this almost with every makeup look, and I absolutely love it. Okay, next I'm going to take the Sweetie Pie Radiant Matte Bronzer, and I'm going to use this to warm up my face. Now this features 4 blendable shades that combine to define, highlight, and sculpt for a radiant complexion, boost and finish. That's the perfect recipe for a soft and flawless look, and this is the perfect bronzer that I noticed that it gave me that natural glow and that nice radiance. So I'm going to use this bronzer just to buff out any harsh lines that I created with when I contour. And then I'm going to take my Sephora Micro Smooth powder in the color Tan, and I'm going to use this to set the rest of my face and to blur and smooth any harsh lines on my face, and I absolutely love this powder. Now I'm going to take the Sweet Peach Glow highlighting palette, and this is illuminating, blushing, and bronzing palette, and I'm going to take that middle shade right there, that pink color, and I'm going to use that for my blush. Now when I apply my blush, I like to use a patting motion just to tap it into place so it doesn't smear and smudge all over my face. And then I'm going to take the shade to the left, which is the highlighting illuminating color, and I'm going to apply that as my highlighter. Now I noticed that when I applied it with a brush, I was not getting the results that I wanted, like it just wasn't showing up for me. So then I used my finger and applied it, and it was a lot better. Then I'm going to take the two colors Peach Punch and Peach Cobbler, and I'm going to smudge that on the outer corners of my lower lash line. And then I'm going to take just Peachy, and then I'm going to smudge that in the inner corner of my lower lash line, and I'm going to blend it together to make it look cohesive. Now I'm going to take my all-time favorite lip liner, and this is MAC in the color Chestnut. I use this lip liner for everything, and I'm going to line my lips with this, and I know you can't see it in the footage, but it's just a nice chocolate rich brown. And then I'm going to take the Too Faced Peach Kiss Moisture Matte Long Wear Lipstick in the color Sex on the Peach, and I'm going to fill my lips with this. And I will say, for this to be an intense matte color, I will say that it applied very smoothly, and it did leave my lips feeling hydrated. Last, I'm going to take the Creamy Peach Oil Lip Gloss in the color Papa Don't Peach. It is infused with vitamin E, peach, and coconut oil to soften and moisturize the lips, and I'm going to apply this over top of the lipstick. And I will say that it's very hydrating and smooth. It's not sticky, which I enjoy, and this lip combination of colors happened to be my all-time favorite nude combination, so I absolutely love it. And I'm gonna line my eyelids with my Sephora Long Lasting 12-Hour eyeliner. Here is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. One thing I will say is that for the loose powder and the foundation and the primer, I did not like them all together. Next time that I try the foundation and the setting powder, I will use a more moisturizing primer, because I feel like at the end my face looked very dry, but it was also luminous. So that is the end. I hope you guys have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe, leave me a comment, and thumbs up this video, and I will check you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye.